So for today's video, we're here at Pier 4. We're going to Lama Island. Lama Island. Ito si ano pa, daan-daan siya. From Sukwowan. Okay. Kasama ko sila father and yan, si Joy. Kasama ko yan nung nag-Tailong 1. Kasama ulit siya. So I'm here waiting. Actually, maaga ko. Siguro mga 8:30 ako dito. Tapos umupo, tapos nag-toilet. Tapos pagbalik ko is now 9:30. Or now is 9:35. So hinihintay pa namin sila. So see you later. It's only a family trail, guys. Hindi masyadong bundok. Simi lang, simi. Pero mainit. So bye. See you later. So yan guys. Ayun mga kasama ko. Marami kami ngayon. More than 10. Yan. Ang dami namin mga churchmate. There's Father Jan. Joy. May nagmamarites dito. Yan. Si Baby Patty, sumama at si Ate Jonah. Si Michelle, Okay. Siya, pasakay na kami. Bali, 10:20 pa yung namin. 10:20 pa yung boat namin. It's still early, wala pang 10 eh. But maybe we can go. See you. So, nakasakay na kami, guys. Ang dami namin, ang saya-saya today. Siguro almost 20 ka. So, see ya later sa island. Lama Island. Ang saya-saya namin kasi marami kami today. See ya. Nasa likod kami, guys. So, yeah. People at the back, and Pinky, and Brenda, and hindi ko ano yung pangalan niya. See you later sa Lama, guys. We're here after 30 minutes of ride. 30 minutes lang siya, guys. So we're here na. Yeah. Welcome to Lama Island, guys. So this is Lama. So if mahilig kayo mag-hike, andito daw ang Penny's Rock. But we're not going to Penny's Rock. Makikisama tayo kay Father. So, welcome to Lama Island, guys, with the church lady. 30 minutes lang. Lama is, yeah, the island of Lama. Oh, maraming mga trail dito, guys. Yan, so ang daming kainan dito, guys. Masasarap daw yung dito, seafoods. So, nag-start na ng lakad. Naiihi pa naman ako. Yan. Sukwowan Police Post. So, we're starting at Sukwowan. So, madami kami ngayon. Happy. Enjoy. What? Ang lalaki nila, guys. Shit. Damn. Masarap daw sila sa seafood dito. Most of their food. Seafood. Dami namin, guys. Ay, si Father na. Yan si Father. With Steven and the girls.
Mini-memorize na niya mga pangalan. May ice cream mamaya.
Ay, hindi ko kayang memorize. Ang dami natin. Sabi na. Dami natin. So, we're on the truck, guys.
Nung nakaraan din.
Ang dami mga dito.
What?
Siguro babalik ako dito para mag-hike sa hanapin si Penny's.
Jay, yung camera mo. Picture mo. Go!
So we're here sa Kuawan. So we're going to Yongchuan. Yongchuan, guys. We're going to Yongchuan. So this must be the starting point. So malilim naman siya. Okay lang. Ouch! Hindi masyadong mainit. May lilim. So yeah. Siguro 1 hour lang to. 1 hour plus. See ya.
Gaano kahaba, basta ganito, wag lang yung katarik-tarikan na hindi na ako makauwi ba.
Family tray lang to. So this is what? May umutot pa, guys.
Yung amo na ganing at ginangla, may tayo sa ligya nga amo na bala. Kay hindi ka katulugan sa gabi.
Wow!
Ganyan din ako. Okay lang, chismis kami nga doon. I will accept it. I will embrace it.
Wow! Patricia and Jonah is here. Sarap ng hangin. So we're from there. Naglakad lang tayo ng about maybe 15 minutes. Yeah. So we just go around. And here, Patricia. Gutom na ikaw. Patricia! Sarap ng hangin. Ang ganda ng...
Hindi kami nag-aircon kasi pagdating dito, hindi ka naman naka-aircon. Enjoy the breeze! Ito ang maganda dito mag-hiking kasi may lilim din. Kaya mas gusto ko pang anong ganito.
Wow! Sapa.
Ganda lang din. Drive mo. Record mo din. Record ko na. Talaga si Ate Jen.
So, ano itong sinasabi ni Father?
Sabi niya, tignan mo. Basahin mo.
So this is what?
Kamikasi.
Kamikasi. Oy, pangalan ko si ano?
Banda.
Banda, kamikasi. Tila ibon. Oh, so this is the cave? Oh, what?
Hindi naman.
Japanese cave? Oh, so this is the Japanese cave, guys.
Oh.
So they store a small boat here, guys. Yeah. Tabi-tabi po.
Ito yung Japanese cake.
Wow.
Anaconda. Anaconda lalo. Japanese.
So guys. Wow, ang laki ng ano niya. Ang laki ng tali. Parang loosen. Ang saya-saya namin, guys. Ah? Pineapple, pineapple. Hello, Tiagi! Chuggy, chuggy. Oh, pineapple, pineapple. They're selling pineapple. So we're going in this side, left side, guys. Not on right side pala. Yeah. We go on the wrong side. Dapat pala left, hindi right. Sama-sama tayong maligaw.
Para saan pa'y bag mo na yan, Genly?
Nakakaaliw naman pag naliligaw ka eh.
Sayang yung dala yung baka ko.
Pang mukha lang to, hindi nga ako nag-sunscreen sa ano.
Kaya ako?
Binigyan kita. Hindi pa yung size sa mukha.
Lusushing village. We're going in to a village. I think someone is living here. But tabi po. Baba. We're on the right side.
Tapos huhugasan nyo naman.
Ganda ng weather. Ganda ng weather. So yan guys, nakikita yung tatlong parang tower. O pag nasa malayo kayo, pag nakita nyo yun, Lama Island yan. Walang ibang ano yan. Sa ibang island wala. So, kumbaga yung signature mark nila. Yung may tatlong tower. Malapit na kami guys. We're almost there at the beach. So, yeah. It's just a family trail. Hindi masyadong matarek. Tama-tama lang. Wow! Anong planta ata yan eh. Planta.
Anong oras ka nagigising sa kanila?
So we're almost at the beach. Beach yung punteriya natin guys because they're going to swim. Ayokong maligo. Because mainit. I'm okay with my hiking stuff. But swimming, I don't want. Oh, mga Pinoy yan, kaya nagbubudod. Yeah. Natumba pa. So we're here. This is where where? Basta where? Yeah.
Actually, hindi na natin kailangan mag-hike eh.
Yeah, we're here, beach. So we're here. So trademark ng Lama, tatlong poste. Mahahabang poste. May nakita akong windmill pero hindi na makita dito. Maybe in the other side, guys. So sino maliligo? Ayoko maligo. Oh my! Ooh! Marami ng afam dito guys. Barbecue area. May barbecue area din sila. Sana all? Wait, view! Oh. So saan na kami pupunta? I don't know. I don't know where we're going, but okay. Lama Island Beach. Beds. Yung Showan. So that's it for now, guys. See you in the next. Bye-bye.